Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Scrap Diva Designs unboxing video for the month of August. And thank you Erica for sending me this package. You can find all these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com. You could also get a 10% off of your metal die purchase with my discount code PRESTERMIC10. I'll put it in the description box below. Let's get started. So first we have this tab set number 3. It has 4 tabs, and what's so nice about this is that it also includes the labels. So you can punch out labels and put them on here, which is really cool. And it's great for your journals, menu index card for your recipe box, and so much more you can do with these tab sets. Number 3. And here we have the shaker banner, and it's really neat. This banner, you can add lots of sequins, little different doodads inside the shaker and decorate your journals. You can decorate your gift boxes with these banners. So many ways you can use this shaker banner. And here we have a milkshake glass. I'm really into this milkshake glass because I love anything that has to do with food or drinks. And it has this really cute cream puff thing, and also a striped straw. And you can layer it so it has different colors to the straw. And here you could also make this shaker into a shaker, this milkshake glass. And it also includes a little cherry as well. And here we have the Photobooth Pocket and Tag Set. It also has 2 pages, and it's great for, I believe, your photo booth strips or sequences or series. And I'm just like really amazed with this unique set. And it's including these 2 cameras and some really nice little tabs here with different shapes. We also have a moon, a frame, and with some airplanes on the moon, and you can layer it up over there, and a little mask, a masquerade mask maybe, because it also has like a pole. And so that one is probably on the 2nd page, and it's like a pocket. You could put the tag in and stick maybe your photo booth strips on here. I think it's a great idea. It's great for journaling, and most of these dies are like related to the Sisterhood travel journal idea, and I think this would be great for that too. So I just can't wait to make this. All right, here we have the A2 bingo card. So awesome. It also has 2 pages, 3 styles of bingo words, and 2 ribbon styles, and 1 layered banner. So it's really a great set. You don't have to go search for those vintage A2. Well, you still want, if you still want vintage, but if you wanted just like a bingo card, you can make it yourself now. I always wanted to do that, and so I think this is great. I think the size is like about this big, which is really awesome because you don't have to put numbers or letters, whatever it is. You can even put pictures, probably like little small pictures inside the boxes, and I think it's like so amazing that it has those 3 style of bingo words, and also include this really nice ribbon here, and as well as another style ribbon, I believe, and a layered banner. So this is a really great set. It has so many things for you, so many styles you can do, and so many combos, and just really nice bingo card. And next up, we have this 3D picnic basket. It's also 2 pages, and I think it's really cute basket once you build it up, and it's so dainty, and I just can't wait to, like, build this up and see what I can put inside this little basket. There's so many options for you to put, like you could put like fruits, you could put veggies, you could put like picnic items like drinks and whatever in there, and all these little small embellishments, so many different ways of putting things in this basket. So yeah, let's go to the next one. This one is called the Pocket Set 2, and I also think this is a great set um, for using for the Sisterhood travel journal theme, and it's great for the guest check-in because there's a card that you can slit into this pocket, and within that card there's like a line that's going to be embossed when you put it into your cutting machine. When it comes out, that card is embossed with some lines and some like little check boxes on the side, so it's really great for the idea is like the guest check-in for, it's like a log book or something. Or you can also use this pocket for maybe take some, leave some, and so you can put some stickers or whatever you like. People can add stickers in and they can take stickers. I think this is a great idea, this pocket with the card. And we have this 3.75 by 3 file folder set. It includes these flowers as well as this mini folder. And so the second page, also same idea, except the tab is on the other side. So it's great that you have like the two different options. You know, sometimes, you know, you want it this way, but you only have that way. So now it includes that other side. So I think that's like really nice. And it has like two different style kind of flowers here with the little middle parts for the flowers. So that's the 3.75 by 3 file folder set. And here we have a mini butterfly folio, and it's also 2 pages, and hopefully I can see what it looks like because I'm pretty curious and I'm like up for a challenge. So yeah, so this one also has 2 pages. And here we have a Memorydex address stamp and die set, and here I think this is also great for the Sisterhood travel journal idea or theme. You can make lots of these, include it in your journal. When it travels around, people can, like, you know, all whoever's in the group can fill out their info and pass it around, and and then they can add it to the Memorydex filing system. And so what a great set for that. And here we have the Bookmark Set. There's 2 pages for this, so I believe this is like the first style, and then the second page has a different style. The second page is like scalloped edge, and this one is like this like kind of outline edge, this beautiful outline edge, and it has that beautiful hole there, and 2 double bow, I guess that's what you call it, double bow. And let's see, and what else can I say about this? Oh yes, it has 2 banners, and there's a layered skinny ribbon bow as well, and the word here is enjoy with the shadow background piece. So this is the Bookmark Set. Here we have the folding tab set, and there's like 6 styles. It's like a really cute butterfly. We have a really nice design. These designs I've never seen before, so it's like pretty cute. This one looks like a mixing bowl to me. Maybe it's great for, like, you know, those recipe cards that Scrap Diva has. And then I think this is a heart. I believe this might be a heart, maybe. And then you have that ribbon or bow. So it's pretty cute. I just love this ribbon bow one. I love all of them. It's just I'm really loving the bow, and all these designs are really cute. So let's move on to the next one. We have and finally we have the Sisterhood travel journal sentiments. And so There's quite a bit of sentiments, which is great. There's 14 sentiments, and there's 2 pages, and I'll read them all out, and you can see why this whole almost this whole release is like great for this idea of the Sisterhood travel journal. You don't have to do it. Sisterhood travel journal could be your own personal journal, whatever it is, but I'll just read you the sentiments. Our stories travel, and then we have traveling journal, currently travel favorites, photo, sisters, leave one, pages between us, your turn, about me, sisterhood, and take one. So those are the words. And I'm thinking these tabs would be great for the journal too, so you can separate it. Some would be like the recipe section, and one would be the about me section tab, you know, and one could be a pet page tab. So you have all these like different tabs to sort out the different areas. So this is the Sisterhood Travel Journal sentiments that have 2 pages with the stitched background piece as well. And it's a really nice font as well. Here we have a mason jar shadow box, and it's also 2 pages. It comes with these tags here, which is like so cute. Can't wait to make it. And I think it includes the second page, it includes the thing to make it into a shadow box. So yeah, this is really neat. I think this is a heart here. Yeah, it looks like a heart, which may be another different style tab as well. And here we have a Steamboat Willie Memorydex #2, and it looks super duper cute with the bow, and then you have some eyes here, and the polka dot bow goes here, and the word magic, and it's like a little tiny Memorydex, which is perfect. I just love it. One has stitching, and this one probably is another piece for the Memorydex card. And then here's another layering piece, so they're all like layered here. So that's the Steamboat Willie Memorydex #2. And then we have the Steamboat Willie Treat Bag, also 2 pages. I'm wondering what this one looks like. It's so cool. You can put treats in there. That's so neat. So yeah, so these are the Scrap Diva Designs August release. I'll put all the links where you can get this down in the description below, and I also have my discount code PRISTRAMIC10 for 10% off the metal dies, as well as I'll put my referral link as well. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to show you all my projects out. And yeah, see you next time. Toodaloo.